Hey, this is David. I'm giving you some information about this phenomenal called Novatech that you see on the left top of the screen up under my company name, the Diamond Review and Associates. I am president and CEO of the Diamond Review and Associates, which have been involved some time, and we enrolled as an associate under Novatech in year 2022. But Novatech got started back in 2019. We're going to get some information about that as we go through this presentation. The Diamond Review team is what you see on the screen. I am leader of the Diamond Review team that you see in the red, and the Diamond Review team isn't a team that operates in giving away the information that Novatech, this is the global metafied trading broker. As a global metafied trading broker, we give the information away that Novatech uses to help people advance themselves. And Novatech uses the PAM account, which is the Percentage Allocation Management module that you see above where you enroll into Novatech on the Money is My Plan B, while the money management module system that Novatech use is called PAM. And PAM is a form of pool money, and investors such as yourself get to allocate his or her, you or your income in a desired proportion of qualified monies managed by people like Novatech of his or her choice. These funds that are managed by Novatech manage multiple forex trading accounts and such pool monies with an aim to generate fantastic returns for their investments. And we're talking about you. Now let us move on there so we can get in depth in this understanding of this process that we call Novatech. Let me do this disclaimer first though, before we get started. Past performance is not indicative of the future earnings. The use of Novatech's Ltd information, products, and services should be based on your own due diligence, and you agree that Novatech is not liable for any success or failure of your business that is directly or indirectly related to the purchase and use of our information, products, services reviewed or advertised. All information contained herein should be independently verified. We do not accept any liability for any loss or damages whatsoever caused in reliance upon such information or services. Please be aware that the risk involved in any trading done in any financial market. Do not trade with any money that you cannot afford to lose. Trading currencies or cryptocurrencies, also called digital or virtual currencies, crypto assets, altcoins, and so on, as well as forex, involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. And that may include you. But I tell you, Novatech is a company that's been involved now for June of 2019 with over 500 associates or independent persons such as myself, and the risk that we're talking about, don't worry about that. You also have to be at least 18 years of age before you can become a trading member, associate, or affiliate of Novatech. You have to be at least 18 years of age. Now what? Here's the founders of Novatech, and you see the CEO. That's the CEO is the Reverend Cynthia Patton, and above her husband and the CTO of the company, you'll see her where she's explaining how she pay all of the members of Novatech 2 times a week, every Friday and every Saturday, which equates to 8 times a month that you see up under that Novatech FX crypto trading platform. Members are paid 8 times a month. Well, we get paid on a Friday and a Saturday. Enjoy all of the benefits that Novatech have to offer on the account now, and you can enroll right now at Money is My Plan B. It is 100% free. But do not enroll until you get an understanding of this information that we're going to show you in this presentation. And let me give a synopsis of what we're talking about. We're talking about how you fund your Novatech account. We're talking about how you withdraw money from your Novatech account and how you move through the process of getting qualified for your Novatech account. That's what we're talking about in this presentation. And the first shall be last, last shall be first. So we're starting to show you how Novatech is a 48-hour enrollment rule. They have a 48-hour enrollment rule. That is to say, you have to qualify yourself with a cryptocurrency wallet in order to get involved with Novatech. And I recommend in this presentation that you use Cash App. At least it's expensive because it's free, and it's the fastest way to get qualified to enroll into Novatech funding. Now, to get qualified or verified with Cash App is a simple process by giving them information, personal information about yourself, which is a state ID, which could be a driver license front and back, and also to take a selfie of yourself. And the process sometimes can take a long time depending on you, or it could take us 2 minutes, 2 hours, 2 days. We don't really know, but you have to be verified by Cash App to take advantage of the process of trading with Novatech. Novatech, as I'm saying again, is a MT5 trading platform, and what they do is take funds, as we saw, pool funds, and trade them globally, and each person that has funds into the Novatech process receives an average of 3% every day on those funds. We're going to get into details about that, but I just wanted to let you see from this point on, we're going to be talking about these three things: how you fund your Novatech account through a Cash App process, how you withdraw money from your Cash App, and things like that. That's what we're talking about. Now look, after you completing your Cash App verification, immediately enroll into Novatech. After you complete your Cash App verification, enroll into Novatech. Do not enroll into Novatech until after you complete your Cash App verification. Then you enroll into Novatech, because you only have 48 hours after enrolling to fund your account. What do I mean by that? Well, the least amount you can fund your account with to earn 3% average every day is $100. That's the least amount, the minimum. The maximum, there is no maximum. So if you can, whatever you choose to fund your account with, you're going to be receiving an average of 3% a day. Now, let me understand your simple process of what we're talking about before we go forth. What we're talking about with you funding your account, you're going to remove the two cryptocurrencies that your Cash App has. It has a fiat currency and it has a cryptocurrency. You have to be verified to use the cryptocurrency, and a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin on your Cash App, where you have to be verified by Cash App to buy the Bitcoin because of the rules and regulations, okay, of Cash App. But your fiat currency, you can send immediately and receive immediately fiat currency. To do that with Bitcoin, you have to be verified. That's what we're talking about, to make sure you be verified by Cash App before you enroll into Novatech. But the process of enrolling into Novatech is on the 3 steps. Step 1, 2, and 3 for you to enroll. And once you do that, you then want to fund your Novatech account through the process of using the cryptocurrency with your Cash App. The Cash App process, as I foresaid, pay anyone instantly right away. And it's free to send or receive monies. We're talking about, in this case, stocks in this case, and we're talking about Bitcoin. Well, the primary purpose of this is to show you how to send Bitcoin using Cash App. Okay, Cash App also is a 100% free platform to operate a business, and this is Novatech is a business opportunity for you to enroll free and run a multi-million-dollar business, should you choose to do so, using Cash App. That's what we're really talking about. You're running a conglomerate-sized business with Cash App by moving and sending your funds, Bitcoin, through the process of using Cash. Okay, now here are the steps to get involved with getting your Cash App verified. Just in case you don't know it, I run into people every day like myself who didn't understand the process of the steps of verifying my Cash App, and I'm going to introduce myself in a minute, but it's a simple process, but for some reason I had to have this data written down, and above all, write it down to get an understanding. So it's written down, and you see down in the red, those are the key features of you getting an understanding of Cash App. Just in case, the Cash App verification instructions is on the video. You see the video. The Cash App support link, you see that, and the Cash App telephone number in the Eastern Standard Time is what you see, that number there, and the number may change depending on what standard zone you're in, but these are the few steps that it will take you, simple process to get your Cash App verified. Now again, we are concentrating on Cash App. This is a video. There's a video explaining to you. This is not my video, and you can see I put the URL from the video down in the yellow. Simply type this into your URL bar in your phone or either your computer, and it's going to give you a step-by-step process of funding your Novatech account with Cash App. Just in case you missed the instructions above, this because it's so simple, but yet I do want to stress what this is all about, so you can scan and download the Cash App as you see in this video. Watch this video over and over again and understand it. Above all, get understanding. I, as a leader of the diamond digging team, recommend accessing and watching this video also. This video show you what I'm talking about, to show you how to fund your Novatech PAM account. Novatech operates under the Percentage Allocation Management module, and this person in this video here is more of an expert in showing you than I am. So I'm showing you how to go to this person. You see it down at the bottom. Go to the YouTube video and watch this, and this individual show you how to fund your Novatech PAM account for the first time. You see, when you enroll, the first thing you're going to do is fund your account. This individual is telling you what you can do and what you should do in order to fund your account the very first time. After you have funded it for the very first time, then all you want to do then is to add money and take money out of your account. Put money in, take money out. And this process is what we're talking about here, to show you how to do that. This is taking money out, how to withdraw money out. The previous YouTube video is showing you how to put money in. Now you see the quotes around this individual. This is a direct information from the person that you see here. That person's name is here. The YouTube video for what you need to access this information to show you how to withdraw money. So now this first step I showed you was how to fund your account. Here's the second step to show you how to withdraw money from your account. And then this video contents is guidance and assistance from the Diamond Review team, the Diamond Digging team, which is the Novatech FX, how to complete a withdrawal request. Because to withdraw money out, you got to go through Novatech's information in your Novatech back office. And this video show you step by steps as how to make the request, and you have to adhere to the guidelines of Novatech to make this request, because you don't want anybody going into your account, and Novatech to make sure that you are the individual that withdrawing money from your account. Because these days in time, persons are stealing identity. Novatech makes sure that the identity of the individual that's taking the money out are the correct person for taking it out. So you make sure you understand this process. This again is how to buy and send Bitcoin on Cash App. Everybody don't know how to buy, and I was one of them, and send money on your Cash App in Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. I'm used to, before getting involved with Novatech back in June of 2020, I was used to just sending fiat money and receiving fiat money on my Cash App. Now I can receive and send Bitcoin, on cryptocurrency, on my Cash App. And this video that you see here, the must-watch video, this video is a tutorial showing you exactly how to buy and send Bitcoin, just in case you missed it on the other videos. So all this is just a video process to show you on this how to do what it is to do, how to verify your Cash App tutorial. We've gone over this, right? Yes, but it's not too much information to give, and the more information you give, the faster you're going to benefit from it, because you can give it away. That's what we're doing. I'm giving you this information, and you're going to give this information. The more you give, the more you receive. That's biblical. That's the creator of the world said it's more blessed to give than it is to receive. The more you give away, the more you receive. That's the principle that only God knows the secret of. The more you give, the more you receive. Here are given this. Now we're in conclusion of this almost, how to verify your Cash App and purchase Bitcoin. You may have to watch this video here more than one time to get it. Well, I'm saying to do it because it's a process where Novatech PAM account is the only accepted Bitcoin and Cash App verified to start funding your Novatech account within 48 hours. Within 48 hours, you can go from A to B, and the least amount you can put in $100, right? But if you were to put in $100,000, do you realize $100,000 at an average of 3% daily is $3,000 a day? Do you realize the more you put in, the more you're going to get out? And then by you giving it away, then you're going to get bigger because Novatech rewards you for giving it away. It's more blessed to give it away than it is to just have a passive account. And a passive account can be very, 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 very rewarding. It all depends on you, and especially you. Like we said earlier, it's not for everyone. It may not be for you, but I can suggest to you that you do your own due diligence, as the disclaimer is saying, to make sure you understand the process of Novatech and how it operates globally as a modified trader broker under the percentage allocation management module process. Now, that always happened to me. I get started in this and I always have the phone ringing. Now, I'm going to conclude this now because there is someone trying to get into me. But my name is David Richardson, as you can see on the screen. I started my tax practice back in 1968 after graduating from the University of Arkansas in 1967. I've been operating as a tax accountant for many years now, and I'm going to show you how this process works using the calculator site. This information here has nothing to do with Novatech. All I'm doing here is to show you how the Cash App can benefit you through the process of using this calculator site. The calculator site is nothing but a bunch of calculators. Now, as an accountant, I'm also, and a tax accountant especially, I'm trying to show you how to operate the Novatech business using the process of the PAM account through Novatech, and also to show you as a business how you can use the calculator site to make projections about your business. All the information you see in the green under the way you enroll and the Monday is my plan B, that's information to show you what kind of business expenses you should maintain while you're operating your Novatech business. But these projections, and let me just show you this disclaimer, these are projected amounts, and based on each amount, one time set up the balances, you decide to deposit into your crypto banking system. $100 would give you, over the period of 3.5% average a week for 5 years, and putting in $25 per month, you would have what's being projected here based upon the calculator site. This has nothing to do with Novatech. This is something to show you how to create your own projections. That's all it is. And if you do enroll as a business, and I'm suggesting that you understand that that's what you're becoming, even though it may be a passive operation, you still are operating your own Novatech business. And if you decide you want to do things as a business, I am an accountant to show you the various type of business expenses that you may want to maintain in order to take advantage of the opportunity. Now, a couple of things I want to show you. I didn't show you this a while ago, but Cash App is a free mobile download. Remember that, because you can operate this Novatech business from your mobile phone. So Cash App is, as you know, as a free mobile download, and also fiat currencies as a tax shelter. You can use your business or the process as a tax shelter, because all your business expenses are going to be subtracted from your business income, and if your business expenses exceeds it, then we're talking about a tax shelter. This is just to give an idea from a tax accountant standpoint, and I am an accountant, tax accountant specifically, to show you how to take advantage. Now again, in the conclusion of this, and this is the last slide I'm going to show you, I'm only pointing this to you, and you see the red arrows pointing toward the calculator site. Do your own dreaming. Now, I'm doing my own dreaming in this process with what I know it to be. And these data, as I said earlier, are projected amounts based on only the projected amounts, one-time deposit balance. You decide to deposit into your own Novatech modified trading platform using the PAM account. Novatech uses the PAM account, and I'm using the modified trader platform that Novatech use as a member, as an associate of Novatech and a funded member of the diamond digging team, to show you how you can accomplish things that you perhaps didn't know about, regardless of your age. And I'm using the Social Security information to show just for those persons who have retired and the passive income. Social Security is a passive income. Retirement is a passive income, and you can use passive income just like you can use earned income to do this process. That's the purpose of showing you this. Both passive and earned income is a fiat currency of income. But we're suggesting you do here as a Diamond Digging team to consider using cryptocurrency as a banking system in addition to the fiat system that you now use. When you get your earned income or your passive income and deposit it into the fiat bank, that's fiat currency. We're only suggesting that you take portions out of your fiat bank and put it into your crypto bank. Your crypto bank now is earning, using Novatech's process, an average of 3% daily. I'm concluding it. I thank you for watching. 20 minutes is up, and I'm going to conclude this. Have a good day. This is David. I love you. Please share this with as many people as possible. Please give it away to as many people as possible. You're only going to help that person you're giving it to and yourself, because God said it is more blessed for you to give than it is for you to receive. Thank you. Bye-bye. I love you. Goodbye.